Hello guys, let's start with the Koso na combined with the Votu a,
Your
e,
a,
I,
o,
u.
u.
So let's start. Na, ne,
Ne,
ni,
ni,
no,
no,
nu.
nu.
Again. Na,
Na,
ne,
ne,
ni,
ni,
no,
no,
nu.
nu.
Yes, na means mom or mother, and when we duplicate it, na plus na, it becomes nana, which means exactly the same thing.
Yes. Mom or mother. Na, se, nana. Tutu ko tanga na ganay bale-bale.
So simple and natural. Na becomes nana.
Naka.
Now let's look at the Koso pa
Pa,
combined with the Votu
a,
a,
e,
I,
i,
o,
o,
u.
u.
Pa,
Pa,
pe,
pe,
pi,
pi,
po,
po,
pu.
pu.
Again. Pa,
Pa,
pe,
pe,
pi,
pi,
po,
po,
pu.
pu.
When we glide a and I together, pa and a, we get pei.
Yo,
That two vowel glide is called a diphthong.
diphthong.
And when we duplicate pei, pei plus pei, it becomes Pei-Pei,
Pei-Pei.
a borrowed word from English meaning baby. So simple, pei becomes Pei-Pei.